Oh yeah.
Equally support.
This is where I got my last hot sauce from. I got my hot sauce.
What did you get, sir?
This is the bigger ones.
Wow. See how Zach be working hard, y'all?
I'm out here in the marina.
The tide is in the mornings, y'all. I'm gonna have to haul her out, y'all. I gotta take her out the water, do some more repairs. But in the meantime, we're gonna be enjoying this ride. Water looks smooth. Land ho, land lovers. Look at these land lovers, man. Look at out there, we got some land lovers. Land lovers.
I ain't a land lover.
Oh, they going, they out, they pulling out. That's where we're coming from, y'all, about 3 miles that way. We are so wet right now. We just got some big waves. Look at that shirt right there. Zoe a little wet, she got a cover on. Then after a full day on the water, we were all very hungry and decided to get some seafood at Point Lobster.
Welcome to Point Lobster.
Yeah, we got fresh lobsters local. We got fresh
Wow.
fish local. Scallops, clams, oysters. We import a bunch of stuff from all over the place. We have a little bit of everything.
And what's he doing now?
He's bagging up some lobster tails and claws that we have fresh for customers.
Wow. What is this? Look, y'all, we getting this firsthand. Oh my goodness. Look at this, y'all.
Lobsters.
Wow.
There's about 100 in each
This is
crate.
all fresh, y'all. How fresh can you get? Those lobster are alive. Uh-oh, we're over here, y'all. I don't want that to fall. Look, he knows what he's doing. I'm nervous that was gonna fall. Look at this water coming off, y'all. I don't care. Oh, well, those are larger, right?
These are the bigger ones.
Wow. Now, where these lobsters come from?
These are coming from a little bit north here, probably up by like Maine.
Wow.
Some big lobsters come from Nova Scotia. We do catch some bigger ones around here, but
Yeah.
you know, when the water's a little bit colder, they have a little bit better of a chance to live longer, so they grow bigger.
Nice. Well,
So
thank
a lot
you.
of the lobster that we get coming from Maine, but we have a lot of lobsters coming in from the local fishermen right now.
Yeah.
Gotta support local.
Yes. Yes,
They bring
I
in
do.
Really great, fresh, really sweet lobsters during the summer. So
Right.
they're good
Nice.
guys. If you're eating here, that's what you're eating.
What's up, family? We're at Point Lobster. Check out this lobster bisque. That looks delicious, y'all. That's what Zoe got. I started out with some clams on the half shell. Look what they got, y'all. This is where I got my last hot sauce from. I got my hot sauce right there. Look. Look, Zoe. We about to get this clams on the half shell, y'all. And Zoe's gonna eat her lobster bisque. I got some clams on the half shell. There they go. They're like the smaller clams too. I like the smaller ones. And look what they got, y'all. They got the Tabasco sauce. This was where I got the other one, to be straight up honest with y'all. But one of the subscribers sent me exactly where I can buy these from, the hot sauce. I got my hot sauce. Definitely going to get some more of these little cool, cute bottles of hot sauce. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put some hot sauce on here, right? I'm gonna put some hot sauce on all of them, y'all. Let me slide this so y'all can see it. Get that hot sauce on there. And we are going to put some of this clam sauce.
Yeah, you should blow it a little.
Just
And you could take another scoop too.
look at that, man. See that clam? I just threw the hot sauce top over there. My son's like, why does he throw the hot sauce top? Because this is so good. This is really delicious. We're going to ask Zoe about her lobster bisque in a minute. But I like the smaller clams too, you know, because they don't get to be too much, too clammy. You get a nice flavorful taste of that thick part of that meat. How many of y'all like clams on the half shell? Raw clams. Oh, that one was hot. I forgot the lemon, y'all. Let's put a little lemon on there too. A little bit more of this this cocktail sauce. I called it clam sauce before, right? It's cocktail sauce. Look at that meaty clam right there. Okay, Zoe.
Delicious.
How is it? Tell us.
Delicious.
You ain't gotta put your mouth down there.
Delicious.
Tell us about it. What's delicious about it? How's it taste? Creamy, hot?
The lobster is really good. It's seasoned, and the texture is really nice. I mean the consistency. And
Sound
I really
good?
like the soap too.
You like the what?
I really like the soup too.
She not, I thought to say the soap. It tastes like soap? What? What's that on top of it there?
Yes, lobster on top, and then I put some crackers here on the side.
See that? That's actually lobster on top, y'all. And it's shrimp in there too? Or no? Just all lobster? Okay. This is us. I should have kept the camera. Oh, see that? Who got the shrimp? What are these? What are these? Okay. This yours, the black and tuna? This is like the combo? Oh yeah, I'm getting some of that. This one mine, yep. Oh yeah. And the salad's coming. Oh, you didn't get none yet.
Not yet.
Oh yeah, look at this, y'all. This is, what is this?
Black and tuna bites.
Black and tuna bites.
Yeah.
And what is this?
It's a lobster roll.
Huh?
Lobster roll.
It's a lobster roll, y'all. He got a lobster roll there. Black and tuna bites. Black and tuna bites. I got scallops there. I have shrimp. And what kind of fish was this? Y'all remember? That's sad.
Okay, there we go. And then dip.
I'm getting them to work for me. Yeah. Nice. Okay, y'all, here we go. I got, the fish is called silver hake. Silver hake fish, and we got the shrimp here, and we got the scallops. And y'all saw all the rest of the food, man. I'm gonna go into the scallops first, y'all. These scallops are so tender. That scallop is melting in my mouth. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm.
It's a good show, isn't it? I mean, I
Uh-oh, Zach is passing me. I'll put it up some so I can see it. He's actually holding a piece of lobster with his fingers. Give me my lobster, man. Zach just passed off a piece of his lobster. It looks delicious. I'm gonna eat it with my fingers too. We call these country what? Forks, spoons, country chopsticks. That tastes like nice and fresh from the ocean. Y'all saw the lobster in the back, man.
It's alright.
Or did I show y'all the lobster in the back first?
Raw as the ones on the boat.
A lot of lobster I eat has that gummy taste, but these taste really fresh and not as gummy. When I say gummy, like you gotta chew it a long time. See, it's tender. That's really good lobster. Hope y'all can't hear the music in the background. It's not that loud, but I think they playing Rocket Mountain High.
That was not.
I know that's not the song. My daughter's laughing at me. How do you get these scallops to taste like butter? They are very tender, man. Look at the texture in there. These are real tender, delicious scallops. I don't know if any of y'all love seafood like I love seafood, but I love seafood. I'm going into the fish now. I told y'all the name of it earlier. I forgot it already. The fish is tender and it tastes fresh too. It don't taste fishy, but I'm gonna still put some lemon on it. The fish is good. It needs some more obe on it. It's blackened, and I can taste the spices, man. I can taste the hot spices. That was really good on the fish. Want to do
I'm a little weary of
is
raw fish.
when you eat not scallops, sushi. Yeah. Last thing I'm gonna try are the shrimp. We're gonna try them out, y'all. The shrimp. That'll be it, and then I can shut this video down. I'm gonna go ahead and give this shrimp a perfect. They are perfectly cooked. They are perfectly seasoned. And I keep getting that peppery, like it was cooked over a grill. That might be the blackened part of it, right? Wow. I gotta slow down, y'all. Sitting here, I'm gonna let y'all look at not salmon, but tuna. Zoe got tuna, and it looked like it was. It's rare. It's rare done tuna, or medium rare. That's the way I like my tuna, but she's just afraid. She said she don't want to eat raw tuna. That's the tuna. Can I get one?
Yeah.
What's an extra fork? You're not eating it?
No, I'm eating it.
Let me get a new fork. Which one should I get? That one?
Yeah.
How is it?
It's good. It doesn't make me feel sick.
Tony says it. Tony. Zoe says it. Zoe says it's good. It doesn't make her feel sickly. I hope not. I hope it don't make her feel sickly, y'all. That's the tuna. That's Zoe's tuna right there. It looks delicious to me. It's also cold. That tuna's fine. It's not raw. That tuna's delicious. It's cold though, and I've had it cooked. How are those? Good. What is that?
It's the blackened tuna.
You want that one? You ate all your shrimp over? All your lobster? I just want a piece of it, okay? Can I just break off half? I just want to show the folks. What is this? What is this? This is blackened tuna bites. This is one I showed you guys earlier. Let's check it out. It tastes a little bit more done than Zoe's, but this one was definitely cooked. Like heated rather. It's peppery. It was crunchy initially, real tender on the inside, but it's definitely more well done than Zoe's tuna. But I think it's all been delicious. If I could have left anything off my plate, even though the fish is good, don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with the fish. But I want to eat, the shrimp was very delicious. The scallops are, oh my goodness, butter. And I just wanted more room for that stuff. But we're gonna eat some more fish. There's that salad. This is way too much food for me. I'm gonna eat my salad, eat the rest of my food. This is MattDV. Come to y'all, Point Pleasant, New Jersey. We are at the Point Lobster restaurant, right? It's called Point Lobster Seafood Market. It's live, y'all. Beautiful, beautiful atmosphere. Glad we came. I'll see you guys at the next one. Nobody told you they love you today. You're hanging with the wrong people. Love you, cats. Peace. Oh, got 3 pieces with the fork. Hold on, let's put the fork down. Peace. Zach liked that part. You can see him smiling over there, y'all.
Did you pour that sauce in?
What happened?
That sauce in there.
See how Zach be working hard, y'all?
I'm out here in the marina. Yes.
Can we hear that voice again?
I'm out here in the marina with my beef jerky. That's the only right food. There's a lot of seagulls out here today.
A lot of seagulls?
A lot of seagulls, yes sir.